Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. Let me show you a new update that was added to all my plugins. So all my plugins will be able to use this update that I'm going to show you. So starting from today, you will be able to extract content from stuff that you import using my plugins with Regex. So let me show you where you can find out stuff about this. So you will see these new icons here, and if you click on them, a new reference will come up, and here it is, the regular expression function. This is the new function that this video is about, which was added to all my plugins, and this is its template. The first parameter will be the shortcode which you wish to parse with the regex function, the pattern of the regex, the element number which should be displayed, and the delimiter which should separate multiple values of the matches. This sounds a bit complicated, but if you know regex, then this will be like a Swedish knife which does everything for you. So if you don't know regex, I recommend that you go ahead and try to learn it, because if you want to parse content and import stuff, it is the most powerful tool to know and to have. So I will link in this video's description a site. It is called regexer.com, and here you will be able to parse your stuff and to create your regexes. So let me demonstrate the power of this new feature. So let me import some stuff from this feed. For example, this is just a random feed, only one post, and let me change the generated post content. So I will be using also this. So I will be using this example, which is provided here on the knowledge base article. So this example will return only the domain name without the top level domain. So without the .com or .net or .uk part of the domain. So it will return only TechCrunch or Google or similar. So let me paste this here. And how this can be used is, this article was originally posted by, and this regex will parse the URL and get the domain name of the source. And here we can add only the item description shortcode, which is listed here. So the item description shortcode will add only the excerpt of the post. So how this will be shown is the post excerpt, and this article was originally posted by, and the regex will parse the stuff. So let me show you how this works. So let's save the post, and let's run importing. And if we wait a bit for this post to be generated and refresh stuff, we will see that one post was imported. And if we check the content of the post, we will see that this is the excerpt, and here it is. This article was originally posted by CoinSearch. Okay, so don't forget, I will link the Regexer site, and how this shortcode will work is that you can add its starting, so %regex, open parentheses, and until here, close parentheses and %. This is the core of the new shortcode. This is the first parameter of the new shortcode, is the content which you wish to match. So in this case, I want to match the item URL. This is the regex which should be matched. And don't forget that these are the beginning and ending marks of the regex. So these should not be taken into consideration when you edit it, sorry. And this should be only matched. So if we create a new link here, then you will see that only this part will be matched, and more, the group one will contain only the domain name without the top level domain. So if we continue to check on this, then we will see that this is the first matching group that should be displayed, and without a separating character, because only one match is expected to be returned. Okay, so I know that this might be a bit complicated, especially if you don't know regex, but I strongly encourage you to learn regex because it is the most powerful thing to know when parsing text. And yeah, I will link in this video's description everything that you need for this. And until next time, stay subscribed and stay awesome. Have a great day. Bye bye.